Oh, who's doing this? Yeah, that's the problem, isn't it? It's the people at the sides, I think, isn't it? Oh no, it's not there. It's round the other side, isn't it? There's people who can fire cannons or whatever at you.
I want to get hit by a cannon.
Not an actual cannon, it's a water cannon.
No, she just want to get hit by a plant.
Oh, plant, I thought you said cannon.
Oh.
Yeah, I got wet on this attack, so I got stuck in these walls.
Yeah, that's it, I remember that. Oh, so we should miss it actually. We're alright.
Yeah, it was like bouncing around.
Yeah, we went straight into it, didn't we?
I mean, no.
Well, that's what happened with me and Casper as well, yeah.
That's really annoying. Is that it? Is that it? Hopefully that's it. Please say that's it.
Woo! Woohoo!
Oh, so big.
Woohoo! Oh no! These are the people we've got to be watching out for. Oh, they're stranded. Marooned. Oh no. Oh no, get pulled up. Oh! Oh! No.
Why?
Oh, we're stuck. Come on. Let's get back in the flow.
Just gotta do the dance.
It's got good music, this, hasn't it? Robin's doing the dance.
It's the brakes stuck. Not brakes.
Yeah, the brakes are stuck. Oh no, you're gonna get it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, disaster. Oh no. Oh, poor. Oh no. Oh. Woo. Goodness me.
Oh! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh! Oh no 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 no! Oh! Woo! Woo! Oh, there's this waterfall, wasn't it? This was the one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Why are you doing?
Yeah, I'm so
Yeah.
the last time we stopped coming up.
Oh! Oh!
You don't have to make that noise. Where we are?
Oh no, it's me! Oh no! Oh!
No! No! Please stop!
Oh no! Oh! There's no need! How rude! Oh, that's the end of it, that's Pirana.